Autodesk is making it easier to define custom element classifications. In Revit 26, as previously mentioned, they renamed the Omniclass parameter to classification. This change enables you to implement different classification systems beyond Omniclass, adapting to diverse project requirements. The update also streamlines access to the classification definition file, allowing direct access to the classification taxonomy text file through the new classification dialog box. The classification parameter value persists in the project even when a definition text file is not available to other users. One limitation to be aware of is the Omniclass title parameter value will be lost after upgrading to Revit 2026 if the default classification taxonomy text is used. So to retain the Omniclass title parameter value, define the classification taxonomy .txt according to Omniclass standard before upgrading. This improved accessibility supports better project organization and data management across different industry standards.